This meditation is brought to you by Fe Pacheco, creator of the ScalarPrana Method. Copyright 2024.
Gently close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. If you are a ScalarPrana practitioner, do your scalar breathing. Otherwise, I send you scalar energy. Be open to the healing energy that is flowing toward you. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your awareness to a sense of gratitude. In this sacred space, mentally thank the Divine for the loving, radiant light surrounding and filling you. Feel the warmth of this gratitude radiating in your heart. Inhale. Notice how this gentle rhythm brings you into more profound stillness. Exhale. Inhale. Fill yourself with a sense of possibility. Exhale. Allow any lingering doubt, fear, or anxiety to drift away, like clouds passing through a clear sky. Inhale. Feel the energy of pure potential gathering within you. And visualize this brilliant light with radiance that symbolizes abundance and boundless prosperity. Inhale. Feel this light pour into you, filling your body with a comforting and energizing warmth. And imagine this light moving into every cell, igniting within you an inner awareness, awakening the consciousness of prosperity that has always been present within you. Inhale. With unwavering conviction, mentally say, I am worthy of abundance. Prosperity flows to me with ease and grace. Feel these words resonate, echoing within you, dissolving any hidden limitations or beliefs that may have held you back. Allow the energy of these affirmations to infuse every part of you, replacing any shadows of doubt with a radiant light of certainty. Inhale. Exhale. Feel gratitude for all forms of prosperity in your life, both the seen and the unseen. Let this gratitude expand from your heart, radiating out to every corner of your being, enveloping you in a magnetic field of abundance. Feel yourself becoming a beacon, naturally attracting success, wealth, and opportunities. Inhale. Absorb and welcome this prosperous energy. Exhale. Release anything that no longer serves your highest potential. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now offer your thanks to the Divine, sealing in this abundant, prosperous energy within you. Inhale. Exhale. Anchoring these feelings of worthiness and gratitude. Gently open your eyes when you are ready. Be aware of your energy field and seal the energy.